If you've been meaning to update your HostGator email but aren't sure where to start, stick around. Because in just a couple of minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to change it step by step without any confusion. First things first, open your web browser and head over to hostgator.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. Enter your current login credentials, your username or email along with your password, and sign in to access your dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on your main account hub. This is where you manage everything like hosting plans, domains, and account settings. From here, look for the profile option in the menu. Click it, and you'll be taken to a page with all your personal details and notification settings. Now, to update your email address, find the section labeled Email. This is where your current email is displayed. Click on the existing email field and type in the new email address you want to use. Take a moment to double check the spelling. You don't want to risk missing important updates. Once you've entered your new email, scroll down and hit Save Changes. That's it. HostGator processes the update right away, so any future notifications, account alerts, or promotions will go directly to your updated address. Keeping your email current is a simple step that protects your account and ensures you never miss critical messages. If this guide helped you out, drop a quick comment and let me know. And if you'd like more easy tech tutorials like this, make sure to hit subscribe and stick around. There's plenty more on the way.